So in this problem here, we're given the D, we're given an N, and we're given the A to the N. And we're looking for A to the 1. My N here is 20 minus 1 times a negative 2. Negative 27 equals A1 plus 19 times negative 2. A1 minus 38. My A1 is 11. And you have to put it back in. A to the N equals 11. Okay. Plus N minus 1 times my D of negative 2. That becomes 11 minus 2N plus 2. And my A to the N, my rule is going to be negative 2N plus 13. And I'd recommend checking it. Negative 2 times 20 is negative 40, plus 13 is negative 27. 96 minus 41 over 10 minus 5 will give you your D. 55 over 5 equals 11. So that's my D. I pick one of my points, it doesn't matter which one, so I'll go with A subscript 5 equals 41. 41 equals A to the 1 plus 5 minus 1 times 11, my D. I'm literally just plugging the numbers in. 41 equals A to the 1 plus 44. Negative 3 is my A to the 1. So now I have an A to the 1 and a D. My A to the 1 is negative 3. And my D is 11. D is 11. A to the N equals negative 3 plus 11N minus 11. A to the N is 11N minus 14. Check your work. 11 times 5 is 55 minus 14 is 41. 11 times 10 is 110 minus 14 is 96. It must be right. And that's how you do adding and subtracting. Or I should say, let me rephrase, arithmetic sequence. Now getting our sum, they put the sigma notation in. My N is 26, that top number. My A to the 1 is just going to be 4 times 1 plus 3, which is 7. And my A to the 26 is going to be 4 times 26 plus 3, which is 107. And then I go into my formula. The S of 26 is going to be 26 times 7 plus 107 divided by 2. 26 times 114 over 2. So 26 times 57. And I'd probably use a calculator there. 26 times 57 is going to be, because I can't do that off the top of my head, 1,482. There's my answer. The last type of problem in this section, using the word problem, we need the rule, and we need the sum. Marching bands arranged in rows. My first row has 3 band members, and my D equals 2. A to the N equals 3 plus N minus 1 times 2. 3 plus 2N minus 2. So my rule is 2N plus 1. If I want the amount of band members, if there's 7 rows, I need my 7th row. My 7th row has 15 band members in it. Stay there. So my N is 7. 18 plus 3 divided by 2. 18 over 2. My total amount of band members is 63. All right, so determine whether it's arithmetic or geometric here. We keep going down by 6, so this would be another example of arithmetic. All right, here we keep dividing by 3, so this would be an example of geometric. This here is neither because you keep adding by a different number, so it's not really a geometric or arithmetic sequence. And the last one, we keep adding by 1/2, so it's arithmetic. Now, this one here, we're adding 5 each time. So my D equals 5, and my A1 equals 7. So when I plug them into the formula, A of the n equals 7 plus n minus 1 times 5. 7 plus 5n minus 5, and an is 5n plus 2. And then my a to the 18, I plug the 18 in for n. 5 times 18 plus 2. A to the 18 is 90 plus 2. A to the 18 is 92. Our second one, we keep subtracting by 7. So my D is negative 7, and my first term there is 86. It's literally written right there for you. And we plug into our formula, okay, that you will be given on your test, or you were given on your test. So that's going to be a to the n equals 86 plus n minus 1 times negative 7. A to the n equals 86 minus 7n plus 7. My general term, negative 7n plus 93. They want the 18th term here. So negative a to the n, or a to the 18th, is negative 7 times 18 plus 93. A to the 18, well, when I do 7 times 18, and I would use my calculator for that, 7 times 18 is 126. So negative 7 times 18, negative 126 plus 93. A to the 18 is going to be negative 126 plus 93. We get negative 33. All right, as I scroll down, to the next two problems. Okay. 43 equals my a to the 1, which I'm trying to find, plus I'm given an n of 11. So 11 minus 1 times my d, which is 5. 43 equals a to the 1 plus 50 times 5. I'm sorry, whoops. 10 times 5, which gives me my 50. I kind of jumped the gun there a little bit. My first term is a negative 7. Or a to the 1, the first term is equal to negative 7. And then when you plug it back in, a to the n equals negative 7. Remember, we need an a to the 1 and a d to do this. And you can always check your work. Plus 5n minus 5. My a to the n here is 5n minus 12. 5 times 11 is 55. Minus 12 is 43. Here, it's like slope. negative 73 minus a negative 38. We got to be mindful of signs. And 19 minus 12. This becomes negative 35 over 7. So my D is a negative 5. And then we plug one of our points in. I'll use A subscript 12, negative 38. So negative 38 equals a to the 1 plus 12 minus 1 times a negative 5. Negative 38 equals A1 plus 11 times negative 5. Negative 38 equals A1 minus 55. We add 15 to both sides, we get A1. And then we need to plug in. A to the n equals 17 plus n minus 1, and we use our D of negative 5. A to the n is going to equal 17 minus 5n plus 5, and a to the n equals negative 5n plus 22. Once again, my recommendation is you check your work. Negative 5 times 19 is negative 95, plus 22 is negative 73. Negative 5 times 12 is negative 60, plus 22 is negative 38. All the work does check out. When I use my sum formula, which is given right here, once again, my n is 33. My first term is literally 6 minus 2 times 1, which is 4. And my 33rd term is 6 minus 2 times 33, which is negative 60. 33. We do 4 plus a negative 60 divided by 2, and that's going to give me my S33. Times negative 56 over 2. 33 times negative 28. And on that, I'm going to go to my calculator. And 33 times negative 28 is going to be negative 924.